Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of April 30th, 2013. That means we're heading into March. I'm sorry, May. Yeah, I'm slow. Trade Navigator is the software I use for all of my charting, and the first chart we'll look at is a weekly bond market, and you can see bonds have kind of quieted down here. They had a nice big up week, and they've sort of ground to the upside a little more. Now this week is very small and reversing, just sort of hanging around the middle there. We've got resistance up around 149.16 that we have not gotten to, and there's also support around 147.28 that has not been approached yet either. Now we're looking at a bunch of stuff on the last 3 days of the week. We've got the Fed meeting adjourning Wednesday. We've got employment data on all 3 days, so any number of things could happen here. Even if they get down to support here at 146.24, that would be the lower moving average here, the red line. Obviously, that wouldn't be bad at all. Heck, if they get down to the mid-Keltner channel, which is about 145.08, that still leaves them above the previous swing high here. So they could break quite a ways and still look very positive. But, you know, the sort of sideways upward sloping congestion that they're in here could very well blow off to the upside. It doesn't mean they have to roll over here. Just kind of depends on how they react to all the data. I think you have to assume anything's possible at this point. Now, in stocks, we do have new all-time highs in the stock market here. It's not by a lot, but it is new all-time highs with very, very quiet activity, actually. Boy, they make me nervous. I mean, you have to say the trend is up. Look at these last few months here. You'd have to say the trend is up, but the target for the upside of this move was to reach new all-time highs and maybe the 1600 level. Boy, they're kind of just about there, and we're going into May. I think there's a real risk of a major turn down here that you just have to watch out for. The resistance this week is around 1595, so between there and 1600 is probably an interesting area to watch for. The support is all the way down at 1565. You can see they've come nowhere near that yet. Doesn't mean they can't. And even down here in the 1540 area at the lower moving average would just leave them where they've been for the last few weeks, so nothing really negative there. They'd really have to break hard to be breaking. You know, again, the trend's up and there's no point in arguing with new all-time highs. I just got a feeling in the pit of my stomach that you got to watch these. I wouldn't be surprised to see the sell in May and go away work again this year. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.